In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed your Instagram timeline on your WordPress website in a beautiful feed like this. To do that, we'll be using the Smashballoon Instagram Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. To purchase and download Instagram Feed Pro, head over to smashballoon.com, and once purchased, you can find your license key and download link for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Instagram Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. And now on your dashboard, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New. Then go click on Upload Plugin at the top and upload the zip file for Instagram Feed Pro, just like this, and click Install Now. And once installed, go ahead and activate the plugin. And there we go, Instagram Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. But before we can create our first reviews feed, let's go and activate the license key for the plugin. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice Instagram Feed. Hover over it like this and click on Settings. Next, beside license key, go ahead and paste the license key from your Smashballoon account and click Activate. And just like that, our license key has now been activated, so we can begin creating our first Instagram feed. On the left-hand side, once again, under Instagram Feed, go click on All Feeds. Next, click Add New at the top, and this brings us to the first step of creating our Instagram feed, selecting a feed type. With Instagram Feed Pro, you can create a feed of posts from any user timeline, a feed of posts from any public hashtag, or even a feed of posts that you were tagged in as well. For this video, since we want to embed our Instagram timeline, we're going to keep the user timeline option selected and click Next. And now we'll have to add a source for our Instagram feed. Go and click on Add Source. On this step, you can choose the option that best aligns with your account. If your account is a personal one, you can click Personal, or if your account is a business account, go click on Business. For this example, the account I'll be using to demonstrate is a business account. So I'm going to click on Business, and here it's asking us if we've connected the plugin with Facebook before. I'm going to click on No, then I can click on Connect with Facebook. This will take you into Facebook, and inside you should see all the Instagram pages connected with your Facebook account. Go ahead and select the Instagram account you want to display inside your feed like this, and click Next. And now you'll have to do the same for the Facebook page associated with that Instagram account. Select it like this and click Next. Then on this step, it's asking us for permission to connect Smashballoon with our Facebook and Instagram accounts. Don't worry, all it's doing is viewing the information it needs to display our feed, but we won't be allowed to make any changes or posts on our behalf, so it's completely safe. Go click on Done, then click on OK. And lastly, you'll get this prompt here asking you to confirm if this is your domain. Click Yes, it's my domain. And then you'll be taken back to Instagram Feed Pro, and on your screen you should see all the Instagram accounts connected with the plugin. Go ahead and select the one you want to display inside your feed and click Add. Then you can select it as a source and click Next. And now you'll have to select the theme for the appearance of your Instagram feed. We have options like the default, modern, social wall, outline, and overlap. For this example, I'm going to go with the modern theme and click Next. And for our last step, we'll have to select a template for the layout of our Instagram feed. You have options like default, simple grid XL, simple row, and several more. For this video, since we're embedding our Instagram timeline, I'm going to go with the card grid template and click Next. And in just a few minutes, we have a beautiful preview of our new Instagram feed. This feed is currently showing all the latest posts from our Instagram timeline. And we can now go and embed this on our WordPress webpage, but before we do that, let me show you how we can customize this. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, click on Feed Layout. Inside, you'll find several options to modify the layout of your Instagram feed. At the top, you can see we currently have the grid layout selected, which displays your posts in rows and columns. Next, we have the carousel layout, which allows you to swipe through your Instagram posts like this. And third, we have the masonry layout, which once again displays your Instagram posts in rows and columns, but now in their original sizes. And lastly, we have the highlight layout, which highlights your latest posts at the top, followed by the rest of the posts in a grid layout. For this tutorial, I'm going to go with the grid layout, and if you look below, you can also choose how many posts you want to display. Currently, we have 8 posts displayed inside this feed, and if we want to modify that, all we have to do is enter the number of posts we want to display, just like this. And you can see that change made instantly inside the live preview. And below the number of posts, you can also choose how many columns you want to display inside your Instagram feed. Currently, we have 4 columns inside our feed, but if you want to change that, all you have to do is open it up and select the number of columns you want to display. And once again, that change has been updated inside our live preview instantly. And if you're happy with the layout of your Instagram feed, go click on Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the header of your Instagram feed, on the left-hand side under the Customize tab, click on Header. You can see that we currently have the header enabled, and we have 4 different styles we can choose from. The first one is the standard style, which comes with Instagram profile picture, Instagram handle, your bio, number of posts, and number of followers as well. Next, we also have the boxed style, which displays the same elements but now inside this box. And third, we have the centered style, which centers those elements at the top of your feed. And lastly, we also have a text style, which allows you to customize the header text below. For this video, I'm going to go with the boxed style and click Save on the top right corner. Lastly, if you want complete control over the content you display inside your Instagram feed, go to the Settings tab and click on Filters and Moderation. At the top, go click on Moderate your feed. And if we enable it, you can see that we've enabled moderation mode, which comes with 2 different options, the Allow list and the Block list. With the Allow list, all your posts will be hidden by default apart from the ones you choose to manually show like this. Alternatively, if we go to Block list, all your posts will be visible by default apart from the ones you choose to manually hide. For For this video, we're going to disable the moderation mode, and if we go back into filters and moderation, under filters, you have the option of entering words to hide or show posts containing those words. And below, you can also choose the specific post types you want to display inside your feed, such as photos, feed videos, and reels. With these moderation and filter options, you have complete control over the content you display inside your Instagram feed. And if you added any filters, make sure to click save on the top right corner. And now that you know how to create and customize your Instagram feed, let me show you how we can embed it on your WordPress webpage. To do that, go click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to add your feed to and click Add. And now on our page, we have two different options to embed our Instagram feed. The first option is by using a shortcode block and pasting the shortcode that we copied earlier, like this. Alternatively, if you're using Block Editor, you can use a dedicated Instagram feed block like this. With this option, you'll see a beautiful preview of your new Instagram feed directly inside your WordPress webpage. We can now click on Update and check out what it looks like on the live website. And here we are now on our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle we have our brand new Instagram timeline feed. All the latest posts from the Instagram account we connected are displayed inside this feed, and if a site visitor wants to check out any of these posts, they can click on it like this, opening up that post inside a lightbox view with the video or photo displayed here, with the caption at the top, a share button, and a view on Instagram button as well. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can also find a load more button. If we click on that, it will load even more posts directly inside our WordPress webpage. And if you're wondering if we can embed your Instagram timeline on the sidebar or footer of your website, we definitely can. Let me show you how. And here we are back inside the plugin now, and I've got a new Instagram feed ready to be embedded inside our WordPress footer. To go and embed this, go click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode once again, and instead of clicking on Add to a page, click Add to a widget. This takes us into the WordPress widgets menu, and for this video, I want to embed my Instagram feed inside the footer of our website. So we can open up the footer widget like this, and we have the same two options to embed our Instagram feed. The first option is by using a shortcode block and pasting the shortcode that we copied earlier, or we can even use our dedicated Instagram feed block like this to see a preview of our Instagram feed directly inside the footer. So we can now click on Update and check out what it looks like on the live website. And here we are back on our WordPress webpage, and once again, right in the middle, we have that Instagram feed that we created earlier. And if we scroll down all the way to the bottom, now inside our footer, we have a brand new Instagram feed showcasing all the latest posts from our Instagram timeline once again. And this feed is just as fast and responsive as the first feed we created. So you now know how to embed your Instagram timeline on your WordPress website, both on the page and on the footer of your website as well. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.